Hi, I'm Stuart from SOB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. So we're back on this job in Southampton today. We're around the back of the property now, and what we've got around here is this big ply section that needs to be clad in lead. We've also got a lead apron to go through there, of which I've already made most of it up, just stacked it along there. Just got one more section to make up for this last bit here. There's also another lead detail to do in there. It's actually quite tight to get in there though. There's a Greggs just along the road. I think I'm going to need to avoid that if I want to fit in that gap. But before I put this lead apron through, I need to wait for the slater to finish on that corner there. So what I'm going to do for the time being is start setting out where all my welts are going to be on this ply. So I'll go over it first, just to see if there's any nails or screws that are proud. Then we get some building paper on there, and then start setting out the welts. Okay, that's all the building paper on there now. So now that's on, what I can do now is start setting out and marking all my welts. Be a little bit tricky to see, but I've just set out and marked where all my welts are going to be. What I've done is I've come 150mm either side of the window opening on both of those windows. Then I've taken the measurement from the centre of that welt to the centre of that welt, which was 2 metres 740, and I divided that into 6 panels, giving 456.6 centres. So I've just marked where all those centres are, and then just put a level line up. I'm using 600 Co5 lead for this, and the bits underneath the window here, just taking the measurement from the centre of that welt there to the centre of that welt there. And we've got a welt bang in the middle there, and the same detail for the top there as well. So now I've got everything set out, I'm going to start getting some lead on. They're getting all this lead through now. Most of this apron is fixed into position. Just got a last little piece to do at the end there. I've got all my clips fixed into position. I'm just starting to clad now around this window. So the next thing to do is to get the window tray in, which I've just made up over here. So I'll fit that window tray. And I can get the jambs on, the soffit lining and that top bit of cladding through there. Once this jam's on as well, then I'll get a few Okay, that's the time consuming bit done around the window. So now that bit's done, what I can do now is get some nice straight panels on there now. So I'm along now to the next window opening. So the next thing to do now is to make up and get this last piece of apron in. Then I can start cladding round. This section now. I've just got a few more clips to cut and that last welt to knock over. So let's get that done now. Okay, that's that last welt turned round now, and I've cut and dressed all the clips and just given this another coat of patination oil. So my next job is going to be up in that little gap there to lead apply cheek up in there, but I won't film that because I don't think I'll get the camera in there. I'm not even sure I'm going to get in there, and I'm sure you don't want to see me struggle or getting stuck, or maybe you do, I don't know. But I think I'm going to wrap this video up here anyway. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SOBleadworks. For inquiries you can email sobleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.